Tails, check out this weather.
Yeah, Sonic, this is crazy. It's like a tornado. Whoa!
Tails, we need to go see Mr. Winkle. We need to ask him if this is safe. We might need to evacuate to a shelter or something. This is crazy.
Yeah, Mario, I agree with you.
Mr. Winkle, Mr. Winkle.
What?
The storm, it's getting pretty crazy. We might have to evacuate.
Hey kids, this storm is pretty dangerous. I think you guys need to stop sitting around, and I think it's time for us to reach some shelter, because this is pretty bad. It's like a hurricane out here. Yeah, a tornado. God is showing no remorse. Run into shelter, everyone! It's a storm! It's like... it's failing. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Where's the shelter? It's over here, guys. Get in! Oh shoot! It's crazy! You get in!
Evacuate in. Oh, it's a crazy storm.
Alright kids, we're in the shelter. I haven't closed the door so I can check on the weather while we're in here. You guys can just chill down there. We're safe for right now, but I'll protect you kids, alright? Yeah, I'll protect you kids. Don't you worry. Mr. Winkle's here to save you, don't worry. Whoa. Yeah, that was pretty crazy. Alright kids, let's do roll call. Alright, Sonic.
Here.
Alright, Tails.
Here.
Alright, guess we're all here? Oh yeah, I forgot to call one person. Mr. Winkle. Yes, I'm here. Alright, we got everybody? It's time to close the... Whoa. That was a pretty big one. Pause. Yeah, that was a pretty big one. Alright kids, I think we should just stay in here for a while and do absolutely nothing. Alright kids, now that we're in this black cube of whatever, sounds like World War II out there. Oh shoot!